This is Matthew from the Windows Club. If you encounter the issue where the Downloads folder is loading slow, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Open the Downloads folder and right-click on the open space and select Properties from the menu. Now in the Downloads Properties window, go to the Customize tab. In the drop-down menu reading Optimize this folder for, select General Items from the drop-down menu. Now check the box associated with Also apply this template to all subfolders. Click on Apply and then OK to save the settings. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your question. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.